Hello cycling enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the details of the Continental Race 28 inches wide 700 by 25 to 32C inner tubes, featuring a 42mm Presta valve, and sold in a convenient pack of 4 with an added Conti sticker. These inner tubes boast a seamless construction and mold-cured vulcanization, ensuring uniform roundness for a smoother ride. Designed for 28-inch wheels, they fit perfectly with tire sizes ranging from 700 by 25 to 700 by 32 mm, offering versatility for various road conditions. The 42mm Presta valve provides a reliable seal and easy inflation, making it a favorite among cyclists who demand performance and convenience. Each tube is meticulously crafted to deliver durability and reliability, so you can focus on the ride ahead without worrying about flats. Plus, they come new in factory packaging, ensuring you receive them in pristine condition. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a weekend warrior, these Continental inner tubes are a must-have for your cycling adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.